Good afternoon. I hope you all are doing good. A student has sent me some doubts regarding to coding decoding which has been asked in the matrix pattern. So I thought why not solve it for the benefit of everyone and just make a video on that and record it and send it to you all of you. So I hope you all can get some benefit out of it. So once again, I'm Priyanka Singh. I'm CLAT mentor and I'm creator for ACE AR for Law Exams program. And you can always ping me for any kind of law exams related inquiry. Okay, let's get started. What was the doubt? Let's have a look. Okay, so here you can see now there's matrix 1 and matrix 2, and you can see the number 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 here, then 0 1 2 3 4 here again, and then 5 6 7 8 9 again in between. And you were asked to find out the code for the word cold. Okay, cold, COLD. And how to read this matrix? There's been some examples given here. For example, if I have to read word C here, actually this matrix has slightly shifted. 0 has just come in, just come above 0. So it's better if we can rewrite it. If we rewrite this, just give me a minute, I'll just do that quickly. The values in written in red are actually forms the matrix 1, and the values which are written in blue forms matrix 2. Now how do we get the value of any alphabet by using these kind of matrices? Okay, let's say if I want to find the value of C, how will I read C? Because C is placed at multiple places. C can be read as, like, here you can first find C at this place. You can first find C at this place. So this has to be read as, okay, now how do we read the value of any alphabet? Is like we first look at the row number and then the column number. So first we can see here at this place, here the row is 1, column is 0. So value of C has to be taken as 10 from this place. Then we can see C here. So first the row number would come 0, 4. Then the column number. Then we can see 1 C has again appeared here. The value for the C would be 2, 1. Then again in the third row, first column. Lastly in the fourth row, last column, 4, 4. So by looking at the first matrix or the matrix 1, we can see there could be 5 codes which can denote the alphabet C. Okay, and in matrix 2 we cannot see the alphabet C there. Okay, so we cannot derive the value of alphabet C from the matrix 2. Okay, now since we have to find out the code for the word cold which starts from C, and we have options available with us, so let's see, can we eliminate any of the options at the beginning? So we see option C can be eliminated because in option C the first code is 30, and we have seen the code of C cannot be 30, it is 31. So option C is eliminated, is out of the question. So that is C. Then the next alphabet happens to be O. Okay, so we'll find out the code for the alphabet O. O is actually appearing in the matrix 2. So O can have code as, this is where I'm finding O first, it is 5 7, then 6 9, 7 8, 8 5, and 9 6. Okay, now again we'll go back at the options and see again, can any of the options be eliminated? Okay, we see option number B can be eliminated because we have 31 to denote C, but 99 is not going to represent the alphabet O. We have only 5 codes to represent alphabet O, which is 57, 69, 78, 85 and 96. So option B is eliminated. Option A and D can both be considered in a way, yes, because I have 10 and 85. 10 is the code for C, 85 is the code for O, and in option A 44 for C and 96 for O, so both will still remain in the contention. We look at the third alphabet, which is L. So the codes for L would be, firstly we can see L here is like 5 6, then it is here 7 8, sorry 6 8, 7 9, 8 9 and 9 5. Okay, so again when we go back at the options and check, we can see even 9 5 is a code for L, which is an option number A, and 7 9 is a code for L, which is present in option number D. So that means I'm still, both of the options are very much in contention, and we'll have to check with the last alphabet, which is D. For D, the codes are, let's have a quick look. It's 0 0, 1 1, 2 4, 3 2 and 4 1. Okay, now this is where we would be able to eliminate option number A also. Why? Because 2 2 is not the code for alphabet D, but 2 4 is. So our answer is option D. This is how we have to solve matrix based coding decoding questions. I hope it is clear to you now. Let's have a look at one more doubt which was sent by the student. Okay, now this question was slightly incomplete actually. I got this picture, and when I searched about this question, there were certain codes were given with this question, and this question is solved on that basis. And the codes which were already given in this question were like this. There was a letter representing each digit. Okay, so unless we have this information with us, this table with us, where the digits and the letter information has been given, we will not be able to solve this question. So now this is very simple. What was asked, like, what is the code for the numbers 184632? So as simple as that. 1 goes for M, 8 is D, 4 is B, 6 is J, 3 is I, and 2 is L. That's how we got the code for the number 184632. Okay, so this information was absolutely essential to solve this question, and then it becomes a cakewalk. Okay, the third doubt that was sent to me was this: in a certain code language, 24685 is written as 33776. How is 35791 written in that code? Okay, so the problem set or the example which has been given to us is this, and this is very easy. Because when I add 2 plus 1 it's 3, 4 minus 1 is 3, 6 plus 1 is 7, 8 minus 1 is 7, 5 plus 1 is 6. And I wanted code for 35791. So the pattern is plus 1 minus 1. So 3 plus 1 is 4, 5 minus 1 is 4, 7 plus 1 is 8, 9 minus 1 is 8, and 1 plus 1 is 2. The answer should be 44882. Now here, in fact, if you look at the option, I don't know from where this question was taken up, none of the options seems to be correct. Okay, because at the last place we have to add plus 1, and when we add plus 1 to 1 we are reaching to 2. This was close, but the last digit is mentioned as 0. Had it been 44882, then this could have been answered, but I guess here there's some problem with the options here. So whosoever has sent this doubt, please cross check from where you have taken this question, because this question is very simple. Plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 and plus 1. So that's been done alternatively, and the options are not given properly. Okay. So that's all for today's doubt solving. If any one of you has any kind of doubt, you have my Telegram ID. Send me your doubts. I'll make sure I'm present, making a video on that and sending it to you all, so that could benefit each and everyone. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.